Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, make sure you click on that subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe. Like, share, make your comments. So let's see what markets will be doing. Euro USD once the market opens. Have it in mind that the market is about to open. So I have done weekly analysis on this our Euro USD. If you have not watched it, it will be best you go back to the channel, check channel to watch the analysis that I did. Now let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day. Another movement is what we should be expecting to the upside on our Euro USD. Reason why we are going to be expecting such a movement is that when you go to your forward time frame, you clearly can see that market is doing something which is trending upward. So this is our first high. The market gave us an higher low. Market eventually pushed up and gave us a new higher high. And then here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again and gave us higher high. And here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again and gave us an higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up and gave us an higher high, and market is currently forming an higher low. So we believe during the London session, the higher low should be over, thereby market will now start giving us a new higher high. So our next movement and our next prediction on Euro USD is a high. But we would only hop in for the buy, and we would only hop in once we get a buy setup. Remember, if we did not find a buy setup, we are not going to buy. But if we find a buy setup, probably around this box that I have highlighted, then you can go ahead and take the buy for the day. So subscribe so you will not miss out on any updates.